students, today we are going to discuss about rectification of errors of class 11th accountancy. Before starting this chapter, we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of errors. Dear students, you know very well, when we are going to complete any transaction, when we are maintaining any balance in the balance sheet or writing any journal entry, on that time or few times we are making some errors inside in our ledger, journal entry, trial balance, otherwise in cash mode. Suppose for example we had made any correction, any errors and we need correction, otherwise we need to calculate what is the error coming inside, that one we can able to identify, otherwise we can rectify with the help of rectification of errors. That's why with the help of this explanation, this lecture, we are going to know how we can able to rectify the errors. With the help of this topic, we can able to explain what is the rectification of errors. With the help of one question, we can able to know these all things, and we have to explain how we can able to calculate our error. Suppose we had made any error in our question, that with the help of the question we can able to know these all things. First one is given in front of you, two-sided error. With the help of that we have to calculate if there is an error is coming inside in that journal entry, how we can able to identify and how we can able to calculate it. Suppose for example, we know very well in journal entry how we are going to prepare journal entries table. First one is the debt, second one particular, LF, debit and credit. With the help of that, we can able to write in these things. In debt column, we have to write debt, otherwise serial number. Suppose for example, one question is coming inside in front of you, credit sales to Arun 7,000 were not recorded. Then how we shall go for this entry? This is number one entry. Once again listen. Credit sales to Arun 7,000 were not recorded. Suppose this types of questions is coming in front of you, or error is coming in front of you, then how you will able to write it on this table? Then we have to write Arun debit, Arun debit 2. Once again come on the question, credit sales to. Here I have told about the sales. Just we have to write entry to sales account. To sales account, amount is 7,000. With the help of that, we have to write amount is 7,000. And credit sales omitted, you have to write narration. Narration, you have to write credit sales after that. Second topic, suppose next line is coming in front of you, credit purchase from bridge 9,000 were not recorded. If that type of questions are coming in front of you, then just you have to also explain here with the help of same entry. Okay, now listen the question once again, credit purchase from bridge, means purchase should be coming here. Then purchase account first. Purchase account, debit to name, bridge. Bridge, and amount is given in front of you, 9,000. Same thing, you have to go for here, narration. Narration you will write credit purchase omitted. After that, any other transaction is coming in front of you, then you have to write third one. Suppose third number is also coming in front of you. Goods returned to Charu 4,000 were not recorded. If suppose according to that entry is coming in front of you, you have to record. Once again listen. Goods returned to Charu. If return entry is coming in front of you, then first you write Charu to be named here. To goods return is coming here, then purchase return we have to write. Entry is there. Purchase return account. And amount you have to write 4,000. If another topic is coming in front of you, fourth one, suppose goods returned from Deepika. 1,000 were not recorded. According to that, if any lines are coming in front of you, just you have to write sales return account. Sales return account debit to, from which account? To Deepak or Deepika. Amount is given in front of you, 1,000. According to that same, you have to write narration also in the questions. According to questions, I have written here first narration, second, third you have to write, and fourth also. According to question, you have to maintain your narration. This is the important part for your question, and this is the small solution and small definition of rectification of errors. With the help of that, we can able to calculate how many errors and how the errors are coming inside the question. With the help of same solution, we can able to identify these all things. But because this is a small information in front of you, but next question when it will become, there will be there another difference will be there. But now this is introduction. So with the help of this small question, small information, you have to complete your notes and revise it. After the next lecture, I will tell you about the next process, and that one is the most important part of your syllabus. Okay, thank you all, and make that your information, make sure that one is the important part of your syllabus. So complete it well. Thank you all.